Hello everyone. Welcome to my video. Today I'll show you how to log in, open, and close your register so you can accurately track all transactions throughout your shift. Keeping track of both cash and cashless transactions is essential for accountability and accuracy. By opening and closing your register for each shift, you'll always know who handled each transaction and when. By default, you will be assigned to POS 1 after completing the sign-up process. As you can see, the green label, "This iPad," is located next to the POS 1 label in the table. To log in, simply select your account, enter the password, and then press Enter. Depending on your setup, you'll find the Open Register screen in the POS section for retail stores or in the Dine-In and Takeaway section for restaurants. Here's what your staff will see when starting a new shift in Poshier. First, enter the starting cash amount. This is the cash available for giving change. For example, if you have $100 in your drawer, enter 100. However, you can skip this step if you are running a cashless business. Next, tap the Open Register button to begin your shift. Let's do some transactions so we have some activities in our register before closing it. To view your register summary, tap this button on the left to open the register info page. Here you'll see shift details such as the start date and time, staff name, shift number, and transaction count. Here's the cash summary, such as the opening amount, cash sales, refunds, and the expected cash in the drawer. Lastly, the card summary of all the card payments and refunds during the shift. To close the register, count the total cash in your drawer and then enter the counted amount using the numpad. If the expected amount is $122 but you only have $121 in the drawer, Poshier will alert you that you're $1 short in the variance field. Tap the Close Register button to end your shift. To review all your shifts, go to Reports, then select the Z report. Here you'll see a list of all register shifts. Tap any shift to view more details. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.